In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do hanging indent on Google Slides. First, open your browser. If you are using Chrome, take a moment to locate the Google Apps icon. This icon is typically found in the top right corner of your screen. It looks like a grid of dots. Clicking on this icon will reveal a menu of Google services. This step is essential because it gives you quick access to Google Slides, among other applications. Once you find it, you are already one step closer to creating that hanging indent. Next up, click on Slides. This action will take you directly to Google Slides, your go-to tool for creating presentations. You will see a new screen displaying your recent presentations as well as an option to create a new one. This is a straightforward yet crucial step. By clicking on Slides, you are ensuring you are in the right application to execute our task. Now, open your presentation in Google Slides. You will want to navigate to the specific file you are working on. This could be a new presentation or one you have been developing. Once you open it, you will see all your slides laid out. This is where the magic happens, as your formatting changes will now be applied to the content you have created. At this point, click on View in the top menu. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, ensure that the Show Ruler option is checked. The ruler is a helpful tool that allows you to adjust your text formatting more precisely. Confirming this setting is important because it will enable you to see the ruler above your slide layout, which is essential for creating the hanging indent. Next, highlight the specific text block or citation you want to indent. To do this, click and drag your mouse over the text you wish to format. Make sure you select the entire block that requires the hanging indent. This step is important because it tells Google Slides exactly which text you want to modify. Highlighting the text accurately ensures that your indent will be applied correctly. Now, look at the visual ruler directly above your slide layout. You will see two markers, the blue triangle, which is the left indent marker, and the blue rectangle, which represents the first line indent marker. Recognizing these markers is crucial. They will guide you in setting the correct indentation for your text. Understanding their function will make the next steps much easier. After that, drag the blue triangle to the right to set your indent depth, which is usually about 0.5 inches. You will notice that both markers move together when you do this. This action applies the indent to the entire text block, maintaining its alignment. It is important to get this measurement right for a polished look, ensuring your text is formatted consistently across your presentation. Now drag only the blue rectangle back to the left to its starting position, which is 0 inches. This action will create the hanging indent effect, where the first line of your selected text aligns with the left margin while the subsequent lines are indented. This little detail is significant as it enhances the readability of your citations or lists, making them visually clear. Once you have completed these steps, you can look at your text with satisfaction. Your hanging indent is now successfully applied, contributing to a professional appearance in your presentation. With practice, these steps will become second nature, and you will be able to format text like a pro in no time.